Hi guys, Jerica here today. I wanted to show you some little girls pageant. We've got a ton in lately, so I wanted to show you guys that. First, what I wanted to show you though is just a handful of like our earrings and stuff that we have. That'd be a great size and great like weight for little girls. So I pulled a couple different ones. Wanted to show you these clear stone ones. They're just little squares, and that's all they are really. It's just a little square. And they're really cute though. These are AB stones. I'm trying to get the light to change for you. These are AB stones and they're just really cool looking and they're really lightweight, so they're good for little ears. These are blue, kind of a navy, but they also have a clear stone in case if you have like a blue dress, maybe that's something that you could need. Also, I pulled a couple more earrings. I pulled another AB stone, another clear stone. These little clear teardrops are super lightweight and be perfect for any dress because they're just nice and clear and silver. These are great little pink earrings. A lot of girls wear pink when they're little, so this is a great pair of earrings also. And then one more of AB stones. They're kind of like in a circle fashion, but they're all just circle AB stones. Also, wanted to let you guys know that we also have the little crown pins to pin on your numbers. This one's a little bit bigger, but it is super cute and it's got little dangles in between it, the crown parts. And then this one's a little smaller, but it's also another pin to pin on those numbers for you. And then we also have tons of little hair things. So I pulled a couple of those. I pulled this one, which is just a little clear AB stone. And then this one, these are black with AB stones on them. And then these are pink and AB stones. So just an idea, and these are just like little bobby pin style clip-in hair things. And everything that I've shown you here is, I mean, even these biggest earrings are like $20, excuse me. Yeah, most of it's anywhere from $15 to $20, and so like it's really affordable to get you some really great jewelry, great little pins for your numbers, and great little hair accessories for these little girls. The first dress I want to show you is going to be this one. It's kind of a teal, kind of aqua color. It is a size 3 and it's $245. Super cute tulle and lace. Has a corset back. And it's just a nice tulle skirt with a couple little lace appliques on it. Next one is this great lime green one. It has a lot of beading on the top, so I'll show you it. It's a lot of AB stones. Would be great for those earrings that I was showing you. It is a Tiffany. It's a size 8. It retailed for $300 and we have it for $160. Tons of ruffles on the bottom. Perfect little girl's dress. Little corset back too. Next is a white one. White is a big pageant color. This is a little more A-line and straight, but it does have the tulle underneath, so you are able to poof it up more if you need to. And you can always add a skirt to it too. This has a little belt on it, and it is corset back also. But the belt it goes through the loops, so if you wanted to change it and add it with some color or something like that, you could also do that. But this belt looks super great with this dress. It's just kind of a white satin color. It is also Tiffany. It's a size 8. It retailed for $300 and we have it for $175. Super great dress. Another white one is this one. This one has gold sequins and AB stones at the top of it. It is white and fluffy. It also has this little extra cutout right here that shows the sequins. It is a MacDougall. It's a size 10. It retailed for $550 and we have it for $299, sorry. So there's that one. And there's the back of it. It's just a zipper back, but tons of ruffles. Perfect for little girls. This next one is red. Bright red. There's the beading on it. A lot of AB stones and beading. It is Little Rosie. It retailed for $600. It's a size 12 and we have it for $299. So it's got a halter neckline, tons of ruffles on the skirt, super big skirt, and it is a great price also. This next one's kind of a coral orangey color. I would say it's more of the coral shade than anything else. And it's just kind of a satin taffeta type feel, and then it's got the ruffles on the skirt right here. But this side does come down a little bit, and then there's the back of it. It's also a corset back. It has some detailing right there on the front. It is a Tiffany size 10. It retailed for $4.50, and we have it for $1.99. So it's a great little coral peachy kind of color. Super cute. Just a few more. This one is kind of a mint green kind of color. It's kind of got like a little shimmer to the fabric, which is super nice for stage. It is also nice and ruffled, and you can always make it bigger, like I said, with a skirt or even just crinkling up that tulle that's underneath. There's the top of it, lots of great beading, a lot of silver and AB stones there. And then there's the back. So it's kind of got a V neckline in front, but it's got 2 straps on it, so it's still a really nice little girl. It is a Tiffany. It retailed for $5.50. It's a size 12, and we have it for $2.50. So it's a great, another great dress. And that one is a zipper bag, not a corset. Next is this little pink one. Like I said, tons of girls and little girls want to wear pink. It's got kind of a pickup type skirt instead of ruffles, but then it has like these little roses in it that have little stones. There's the bodice of it. Just a lot of nice little beading. Some AB stones in there too. It is also a halter top. It's Perfect Angel, retail for $3.50. It's a size 12, and we have it for $1.99. And there's the back of it. Last one I'm going to point out and show you today is this other white one. It is fully covered in AB stones up here. Kind of reminds me of like kind of a mermaidy look, but it's gorgeous. So many stones. The bottom is just white tulle, but it does kind of have like a little pink shade-ish down through there. I think it's like the second layer there has got some pink shade to it almost. But yeah, it's also a corset back. Has nice straps to it. It is Tiffany, size 16. It is brand new. It retailed for $400, and we have it for $256. So once again, another really great cute one. So also, literally this whole line right back here is all little girl dresses. So we just wanted to hop on and show you that we have so many right now, and there's so many to pick from. And every size, I think the smallest we have right now is this 3, and we have 4s, and we go all the way up to that 16 that I showed you. I tried to give you a good range of sizes for what we have. So many dresses, tons of jewelry still for like little girls that are going to be on the lighter weight side so they don't hurt their ears. Tons of little hair things for them. Some of them we have like the little push-in things in case if you were doing an updo and you didn't want the little things that might hold their bangs back kind of deal. So we have tons of stuff to pick from. Please come in and see us. There's so much we can help you with. Let us know what we can do for you, and there's so much to pick from. So we'll see ya. Bye.